Welcome back to AlphaTech. Today we are going to discuss about 4 live server alternatives. As you can see on my screen, I have tried to open this file with live server but it's showing an error. So we will simply go to the extensions area. Live server preview, side by side panel view, live reloading enabled. We will write live server preview. And we will select this extension. We'll write Control P plus show live server preview, and you can see it's opening side by side. Next is Staticserver. Opens in default browser, connects to a local host. We'll write Staticserver and we'll select it. I have already installed it, and we'll Staticserver start. Now you can see it is opening in my default browser. Now second is Five server. Opens in the default browser, connects to a local host. We will write Five server and you can install it from here. I have already installed. You right click and select open with Five server, and you can see it has opened in my default browser. Now it is preview on web server, side by side panel view, launch on browser view, live reloading enabled, connects to a local host. You can install it from here. We will right click and select VS Code preview server preview on side panel, and now we will launch on browser. It has opened in my default browser, which is Opera, and you can see it is live reloading also. Now you can see the text of the button has been changed. Please like, subscribe our channel for more such videos.